Hello, this video is for online assignment 7. This assignment, the students are going to read the paragraph on robots and decide to research one of 3 robots, Roomba, Sophia the robot, or the Gita bot, and complete the questions on the Google Doc. So you're going to download the Google Doc, which is this right here. What do we use robots for? You're going to read the paragraph, and then you'll be able to answer the questions dealing with which robot you are going to choose. Let's go to our project lead the way page. You're going to go down to lesson 1. What is automation and robotics? Down to activity 1-2. What do we use robots for? Which will give us this page right here. Once again, you're going to read your introduction. You will scroll down, and here are the questions that you are going to answer. All right. Now, you need to use Google and do some research on each one of the robots, whichever you choose. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and email me or send me a Google question. Thank you. Have a great day.